Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
God bless you. Your Excellencies, let me thank our royal fathers and stand on the existing protocol. They've endured the day. I've listened to our father. We should thank God that we have today. We have them, all of them, they are present. I could see the father on your feet, Tinubu, and many of you here present. Thank you for enduring the day. It is that period of the year where we remember the history of our country. And looking back 65 years ago, that we work hard. Our forefathers handed over to us the sovereignty of this country, the independence. We were happy, we celebrated. We brought down the toga of the colonialism. And we started a future of our own. That future is with a lot of challenges. Yet, it's been very, very challenging. Or 10 years ago, our great party, all the Progressive Congress, came into office on the promise of change. That change, it is being witnessed here today. The old way has brought our nation close to collapse. A break with that past was not an option. It was the only way forward. We broke the jinx. Today we gather not only to launch a book, but to reflect on a decade of collective effort and sacrifice. I commend my dear brother, Governor Hope Unsadima,